Grace and peace to you, and welcome back to my third video on travel graphs. Okay, so here is the question. The diagram shows the speed time graph of a moving object. So we have, this is the diagram. Find the acceleration of the object in the first 8 seconds. Okay, so acceleration. We know that acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So acceleration is equal to, so it's in the first 8 seconds. So along this journey from 0 to 20. So the initial velocity is 0, the final velocity is 20 meters per second. So we have v is 20 minus u is 0 over time taken is 8. So we have acceleration is equal to, so 20 minus 0, that is 20, and 20 divided by 8. Here we can just simplify the fraction. So what is the highest common factor for 20 and 8? Yes, 4. 4 in 20 you get 5, and 4 in 8 you get 2. So 2 in 5, that is 2.5. So we have 2.5 meters per second squared. Okay, that is acceleration in the first 8 seconds. We go to B. Given that the object covered a distance of 115 in the first 10 seconds, find the value of V. Okay, so the object covered a distance of 115 in the first 10 seconds. So here we need to find the area of this shape. Then we equate it to 115. Since we know that area of a shape, that is in speed time graph, is the distance. Okay, so here we can get two shapes. We have this shape here, which is a triangle. So we can find area of the triangle. We can call this one area 1. Then again, we can find the area of this shape. This one is a trapezium. We can call it area 2. Okay, so let's start with area 1. So you can see that area 1, that is a triangle, and it's a right angled triangle. So area of the right angled triangle, the formula is half times base times height. So area 1 is equal to half multiplied by base here is 8. So 8 multiplied by height, you have 20. So multiplied by 20. So area 1 is equal to 2 in 20, that is 10. 10 multiplied by 8, you get 80 meters. That is for area 1. We go to area 2. Area 2, that one is a trapezium. It's like this. So supposed to have A there, B, and height. Okay. So here of the trapezium, that is half A plus B multiplied by height. So we have area 2 is equal to half. Then in brackets we are going to have our A. In this case will be from here to there, and that is V. So we have V plus our B will be from 0 to 20. So that is 20. Then multiplied by our height from 8 to 10. So 10 minus 8, that is 2. So we have 2 there. Okay. So 2 and 2 cancel out. So area 2, we have V plus 20. Okay. So distance covered in the first 10 seconds will be So distance is equal to be area 1 plus area 2. So distance, we know that it's supposed to be 115. So this is equal to area 1 is 80 plus area 2, we have V plus 20. So we are solving for V. So we'll say 80 plus 20, that is 100. And that 100, we'll take it this side. Here it is positive, this side it will be minus. So we are going to have 115, and the 100 this side it will be minus 100 is equal to V. What is 115 minus 100? Yes, 15. So V is equal to 15 meters per second. Okay, that is B. We go to C. Calculate the average speed of the object in the first 14 seconds. Calculate the average speed of the object in the first 14 seconds. So up to that point. So again, we need to have distance in the first 14 seconds. Okay, so we know that average speed is equal to distance covered over time taken. So first we need to know distance covered in the first 14 seconds. So here we have this, we have distance in the first 10 seconds. So you have this distance plus this distance here. So the area here, we know that it's 115. Then this one will be area 3. Area 3, we can see that this shape is just a rectangle. And the area of the rectangle is just length times breadth. Okay, so we have length here is 4. That is 14 minus 10, we get 4. Then here we have from 0 to V, and V is 15. So that is just 4 multiplied by 15. And 4 multiplied by 15, you get 60. So distance in the first 14 seconds will be 115 plus 60. So you get 175 meters. Therefore, average speed is equal to, so distance we have 175 meters over the time taken is 14. So say this is equal to what is 14 in 17? 14 in 17 you get 1. Then there is remainder of 3. What is 14 in 35? 14 in 35 you get 2. Then there is a remainder of, so you say 14 times 2, that is 28. So 35 minus 28, that is 15 minus 8, that is 7. Okay, so we have 7. So here we say point, then you add the 0 to 7. And what is 14 in 70? That should be 5. So we have 12.5 meters per second. So that is average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance traveled over time taken. And here we are told to find average speed in the first 14 seconds. And we can see that 14 seconds is there. And we already have the area for this shape here. That is distance from 0 to 10 seconds. That is in the first 10 seconds. It was 115. Then from 10 to 14, That one there is a rectangle. You just find area of the rectangle, which is length times breadth. So 4 times V is 15, so 60. So 60 plus 115, you get 175. So that is total distance. Then time taken is 14. Okay, so this is how you perform calculations with regards to travel graphs. Thank you so much for your time.